Hi folks, my name's Russ. I'm with Lee's Auto and RV Ranch in Ellington, Connecticut. Here I have a 2025 Gray Wolf 20 RDSE. Nice little product. It's got two 20-pound tanks with an automatic regulator on it. It's got the electric tongue jack on it. You also have automotive paint, so these aren't decals, so they won't chip and fade on you. 12 from center instead of 16 from center on your sidewalls, so it's a stronger sidewall. You also have magnet doors that hold the doors open. Lots of storage. You have a hide-a-window right here. And when I say a hide-a-window, when you open it, you have a window right there. You have outside speakers. They light up blue at night and they're also waterproof. There's a spot here for a TV. You also got a cable hookup here. You got a cable hookup in the back also, so when you do at the campground, you're hooked up in the back and you want to put a TV here, you're not running a cable hookup underneath. It's right here for you. You got outlets right here. This right here is for your furnace. When you pull your awning out and it starts raining a little bit, there's grab bars on either side. You can grab onto it and it'll tilt your awning for you. Over here, you have a little doggy latch. So if you have a nice bike or even a pet, you hook it up on there. This right here is a little storage bin. You put your sewer hose in here. This right here is a cargo rack. This will drop down. This will hold up to about 200 pounds. You also have rain gutters on all four corners of your camper. This right here is your dump station, black and gray water. Over here is a tankless water heater. It's a 6-gallon water heater. It's DSI. This unit does not have a slide out, but the layout is just fantastic the way it is. Dinette table drops down, makes into a bed, but you got 3 big windows here. Gives you a nice view. Also, being a small camper like this has central air, so it has a truss roof in it. So when you walk into the camper and it's hot in here, you turn the air conditioner on, open up these vents right here. It's called a quick cool down. Cold air is going to gush out on you. Once you feel comfortable, you'll shut this down and now your air will start coming out of your portholes. It has an 11 cubic refrigerator because you have a solar panel on top of the roof. You have a king-size bed here. And then you also have storage underneath. Your bathroom's over here. Tankless water heater. It's a 6-gallon tankless water heater. DSI, direct spark ignition. Got a pull-out faucet. You also got a drying rack and a nice big barn sink right here. You got a glass that you can clean your glass right up here on this little spray nozzle. You have a 3-burner stove with a direct spark ignition.
Do you have any toilet paper I can borrow?
I'm not sure, sir.
It's an emergency.
Well, go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's this planned? You push a button right here, and then you'll have ambiance through the whole length of the knobs here. 3-burner stove, direct spark ignition. So this 3rd burner stove is your higher up a burner. So if you want to cook a big pot of water, that's the burner you're going to use. You also have an air fryer here. And also this is considered a microwave oven too. This right here is your disconnect for your solar panel on top of the roof. And it'll also give you the voltage. This right here is your built-in power converter, and that'll trickle charge your battery when you're traveling down the road. Other than that, come on down. This is Lee's Auto Ranch in Ellington, Connecticut. My name's Russ. And that's Cody.
You might want to stay out of there for a little while.
One thing I wanted to bring up to you too also is you have a built-in inverter in here. So basically what that's going to do is it's going to trickle charge. It's going to, if you have a sleep app, you can plug it in, alarm clock or something, you can plug it in. All right, come on down, Lee's Auto Ranch.